Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and get a birthday gift from Sephora itself. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For that matter, what we will do is we're gonna simply go ahead, open up our browser over here. We're gonna open up our browser over here. We can go to this search bar, type in sephora.com, or you can simply go ahead, open up your Sephora app that you have installed in your mobile phone as well. Once we have done so, you can see this sign in page where we're gonna go ahead, sign in with our information, and we're inside this Sephora website over here. So you can see once you open it, in this home page, including all of this Beauty Insider summary, basically this Beauty Insider is to shop to earn points. So you have to create an account with Beauty Insider. You can actually create your account, and once you have created on account in this Beauty Insider, then finally you will be able to claim a birthday gift. If you go to any of the Sephora store in nearby your area, you can let the employee of Sephora store or the receptionist, you can simply go ahead and let them know that, hey, can I claim my free birthday gift, and they will let you have it. If they question you can simply say it, because in this Your Beauty Insider's policy, it includes you can actually have an account with, if you have an account with Your Beauty Insider, you can claim your free birthday gift within the year of your birthday, and you will be done. You can simply tap on this option over here. Let me show it again. You can go to this like light pink highlighter. If you tap on it, this will simply give you this option, and you can see you will find this sign in option. Since I have already done, I have this option called shop now. You will find sign in actually, and tap on it. You will be able to create your existing account in Beauty Insider. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.